I think this is I speak out what my mind accepts. This project is a totally illegal project. It does not have any permissions, okay? Even the land survey department we have a document where the land survey department has stated very definitely that the concerned survey numbers are no development zones, okay? Now I am told, which we were not aware, that 3 months or 4 months later, the nature of the land changed. I don't understand how this can happen. And now they say it is partly no development and partly development. How can that be? How did the nature of the land change in 3 months? What was the officer doing when he wrote the first report? This is a fraud. Secondly, we questioned the lawyer who is representing Movage, how they are doing the work. Now he said, "Ami chikol katta, ami mati katta." Osle काम करपाक WRD चे permission जाय. Permission दाखोय म्हूण सांगले. Permission ना. Even if we do so many desilting works, okay? Every work is done with the permission of the concerned department. There is no permission. And because they were working without permission, they had forbidden entry even to the panchayat, which is the local authority. Okay? Now Kazan lands are cultivable lands. During this season, that land is rich in fish. The tradition states that fishermen used to come in to fish. Okay? That is not allowed. Instead, we are going to do boating there and destroy the land. What kind of boating? What will be the magnitude of boating? Nature of boating? We don't know. But definitely it will not be row boats. Okay? So, are we going to destroy environment at every step of the way? Isn't it our duty to protect the environment? I was the Minister for Environment and I remember very clearly that it was always said, use it, improve it and hand it over to the next generation. What are we going to hand over to the next generation? Whatever is destroyed and made useless?
What will be the next step, madam?
Next step, I think, I don't know. I think the panchayat has to decide and maybe they have to go legal.
Because you had said that you will come with the CM again.
Yes, I only want, I want to request the Honorable Chief Minister because I believe that he will do the right thing. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to, I don't want to discuss any issues with the Honorable Chief Minister. I just want the Honorable Chief Minister to have a look at the area. Because one look at the area and you know that it is 100% no development zone.
First thing, especially आम्ही बेसिकली आपल्याला तांकां स्टॉप ते एक्टिविटीज इलिगल वर्क करता ताका लागून आनीक तांकां नोटीस सर्व केल्लो. नोटीस सर्व करून स्टील दे हॅव कंटिन्यू देयर वर्क इलिगल वर्क. आनीक मागीर आमी सायड इन्स्पेक्शन मागलें. एक पार्टी ऑन 7th वी आस्क फॉर सायड इन्स्पेक्शन. तेन्ना तांणी गेट लॉक हाडली. वी कुड नॉट टेक द सायड इन्स्पेक्शन प्रॉपरली. आनी ताका आमी आनीक नेक्स्ट डेट बेज ऑन दीस सेम आमी ताका नेक्स्ट डेट दिल्ली. दीस इज 24th. आनी आयज सायड इन्स्पेक्शन गेल्लो तांचो रेप्रेजेंटेटिव्ह आहलो एक एडवोकेट आनीक मिस्टर रातोड. तांकां आमी जे क्वेश्चन केल्ले परमिशन विचारलें दे हेल्पलेस दे कुड नॉट गिव एनी आन्सर्स.